In this video I'm going to show you how to add buttons to your form. So I've created my form. We created our forms in previous videos. So what I'm going to do is to show you how to add buttons to your forms to enable you to move forward and back between each record, because at the moment currently we have to use these buttons at the bottom. Okay, so if I click there you can see that I'm scrolling through the records, but it would be far easier if we had buttons on the forms that allowed us to do that. So I'm going to show you how to create those buttons. So the first thing we're going to do is to take the form into design view. So I'm going to right click on the title of my form and take it into design view. I'm going to give myself some more space on the form. So I'm just clicking and dragging out, give myself a bit more room. And what you're looking for is this button icon on the form design section. So I'm going to click on the button and I'm going to draw a button on the screen and it starts a wizard. Okay, so I'm going to ask you just to apply record navigation buttons to your forms. So start with, I just want you to put previous and next record buttons on your forms. So if I come down to the actions, you can see that I've got go to next record and go to previous record. So I'm going to select the first one. I'm going to click next. Okay, up to you whether you put a picture on the button or whether you put text. I generally go with text, but it's entirely up to you. I'm going to put text on my button. That's what it looks like. The picture will look like that. Okay, text, next, finish. Okay, there's my one button. I'm going to draw a second button on the screen. I'm going to go to the previous record, next, text, next, finish. Okay, so something I did want to show you is they're not the same size, so there are a number of things that we can do to change that. So I'm going to highlight my buttons, okay, like that. So I'm just drawing a box around them. I'm going to come up to the arrange menu, okay, and I can align them and I can size them. So let's have a look at the size options. So if I size my buttons to the widest, okay, so if I do that, you can see that it increases the size of the next record button. If I just undo that, size and space, align to the widest, and that's aligned them to the widest. Also, if I have them out of sync like that, I can highlight them, I can align them, I can align them to the grid, okay, and I can also align them left, and I can align them right. It's up to you, okay, and that brings them back into alignment. Okay, so that's how we use the alignment tools and the sizing and spacing tools to change the alignment. Once they're aligned, I can highlight them and I can move them wherever I want and they'll stay in alignment. Okay, so that's inserting buttons and resizing of the buttons.